What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So as you saw in the last video, if you didn't see it, go check it out. I'll leave it right here. So we picked up this beautiful set of VMR 710'S from my boy Marcus, who also let me drive his M3. So you can check out that video right there also. Anyway though, as you can see, these VMR 710'S, you know, they got some little damage done to them. They got some curb rash on them. These are 235 and 265s for the rears. This is the tires that I'm going to be putting on them. These are 235 40/18s and 265 40/18s, but Federals run a size bigger, so that's really like 245 and 275, and 275 is going to be tough to fit in the rear of my E90. So today we're going to be test fitting the rims just with the tires that are on there now. I just want to see how it looks. I want to see how everything fits. I have multiple sets of spacers to, you know, make the fitment really dialed in. I do intend on doing another video. I already have coilovers installed in the car, and I intend on doing another video on, you know, lowering the car and really dialing the fitment. But for right now, we're just going to pretty much take the old rims off, and we're going to put these beautiful VMR 710'S on. So I'm going to put you guys in a time lapse. We'll bring the car right outside the garage here because it's warmer outside the garage than it is in here. And yeah, let's get cracking at this. All right, let's get one last look at what it's going to look like with the old rims on. All blacked out, but I think the little bit of silver will actually, you know, look pretty good on this. Alright, out with the old and in with the new. So as you can see, I'm kind of going for that monster truck wheel gap. But the fitment with the spacers on, there's like, it's like flush, but I have a feeling if I hit a bump, I'm gonna rub here. I kept the 18 mil spacers on, and then these are 33 offset. So these stick out pretty far, and then these are 35 offset with a 15 mil spacer. So, I mean, these are pretty flush as well. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go for a test drive, see if anything rubs, because I don't wanna be driving the car, you know, with the wheels rubbing and everything like that. It's a pretty nice day, although it's cloudy. It's like 50 degrees. I got my hat off, I'm sweaty. My hands are filthy. So we're gonna go for a test drive, see how much better it is with the extra traction, as well as make sure there's no rubbing or anything like that, and just hopefully overall the car handles a little bit better. So we'll go for this test drive, and then after that I want to get some cinematics of the car, a little cinematic short video of, you know, how it looks now. All right, so we couldn't go to MetLife because there's a Jets game today on Saturday, and so we came to our other spot that we've came to before. So there was no rubbing. Not that you guys really care to see my reaction inside of if the car's rubbing or not, but we're gonna end this with some cinematics. I hope you guys like how the car looks. I know I need to lower it. I promise I will lower it once I get the chance. I have a whole nother video on that because my coilovers are pretty much like seized. So hope you guys enjoy the cinematic, and here we go.